My grandpa caught a seagull. Pull it out of the water. Oh no. Let's go. I guess. This is a very important moment. What? Yeah.
That sucks.
We gotta go see it. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. This is graphic. Oh! Oh my gosh. Alright, alright, alright.
Hold on.
Where's the hook? It's not in them.
Oh, why are you staring at me? That's kind of weird.
It's wrapped around this thing over here.
It is on a hook. Oh my lord. What a turn of events. I just got the biggest fish I've ever caught. And this bird.
It's around this big wing.
God.
Wow, he's really too.
Yeah.
He's still
This rest.
Why don't you just cut it?
Hold on. Because it'll still be on there.
Yeah.
We gotta get the wire off and we'll mess them up.
You got scissors.
Here, hold this.
Okay, hold on.
No, wait, it goes around this
There.
way.
Oh, I'm so
And I
zoomed
don't
in.
wanna-
Wait, wait. Oh. Wait.
Wait, I want to hold it. I want to hold it.
Here, hold that.
Can you hold this? What is this on? Can you hold it?
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Hold on, get me in the video.
3.
Oh! Wait, Mom. I want to hold it. I want to hold it. I want to hold
Pick
it.
him up.
Mom, get this on video.
What?
I
What am I
wanna hold
doing? Are you gonna let him go?
Hold his wings. You're actually holding his body.
You don't want to traumatize him too much. He's already getting probably gonna have diarrhea.
I want to let him go. Watch this.
By the water.
Be free, young bird.
Go! Get him again.
Catch him again.
Good
job, Jay.
Yeah.
Story how I caught one before.
This is gonna get a billion views.
The power of Mike.
Billion.
I tell you.
Pyro Mike, yeah.